What's up, guys? We're back with another video today. We are at Proudfoot and Bird, and yeah. So first off, starting with the appetizers, we got the shrimp toast, and yeah, looks pretty good. Smells like shrimp.
I apologize
Oh.
for the delay, sir.
The toast is crunchy. The shrimp is salty. It was a little creamy, but it was pretty good. We got delivered the champagne cocktail. Ah.
Absolutely, we have the oysters on the way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, look at this, guys. Next, we've got the oysters on the way here. So, for the oysters, perfection. So, me, I like to eat the first oyster naked, essentially. So, yeah. Do they have a mini fork? Just use this one. So, yeah, I like to check to see if my oyster is already shucked and like free flowing from the shell. It should almost always be if you get it served to you like this. But yeah, so take that. Taste a little bit of that oyster liqueur. So like the juice, the water, the oyster. The next thing you do is you just I give it a couple of chews. Give it a nice little crunch, crunch, crunch. Taste the oyster, and then swallow. Yeah. And then you can also dress it up. Looks like they've got different condiments for us to try with it as well. I want to try this. This one's what? Hot sauce, right? You want that one? I inhaled the hot sauce. We've got delivered our warm ricotta here. Looks, toast, warm ricotta in a little Dutch oven. I think this is a Dutch oven, right? And so here, let's give it a try. Take the breads. Ooh. Ooh. Let's take a little bit of this cheese. Put on a little sliver. And let's go. Let's try it. Buttery, cheesy, sweet, a little toasty. It's pretty good. Pretty good. You gotta try it. Pork belly burnt ends. So the pork belly burnt ends comes covered in a Carolina gold barbecue sauce. We've got these smoked Marcona almonds, pickles, cheddar biscuits, and the pimento cheese on the end here by the cheddar biscuits. So here we're gonna be trying it. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. We'll give it a slice. Pretty tender, a little bit of smoke flavor to it. Not fall apart tender, but still you can chew it without your jaw hurting. The barbecue sauce is like, it tastes very similar to honey mustard. Yeah, pretty good. Pickled vegetables. The flavor on the pork ends could be a lot different, but we'll see. We got the cheddar biscuits. Mhm. On the biscuits, outside is crunchy, inside is fluffy. I think that's exactly the way you want it. This pimento cheese kind of smacking those. The pimento cheese is really, really good. Cheddar Bay biscuits, crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the middle. The pork belly burnt ends tender, but it's not fall apart tender. It's still got that little bite to it, which I like that texture. Bone-in ribeye. Ribeye is my favorite steak. With looks like a red wine sauce. Yeah, blue cheese. I know some people don't like blue cheese because it's very pungent, but I like it. Thank you.
First impressions, delicious, I hope. Thank you.
Steak absolutely tender, very soft. I dig it. I dig it. The flavor is very interesting because I normally like steak that's very just plain and simple, but this one has different complexities, different flavors in it. The sauce makes it way different than the steak that I cook, and you'll be seeing that soon. The tenderness is perfection, but the flavor is just really not my thing. So it's a good solid thing if you want to try that. Perfect. It's perfect. Blue cheese in my off-white. I've been drinking champagne all night. Ooh, shit, that's hot, man. And so I'm also going to be trying the lobster risotto here as well. So like I said, it's rice, lobster, cheese. Very creamy. Has like that ocean taste, but it's not like the bad ocean taste where it's like fishy, but it's like very, very light. You know that there's some seafood in there. Mm, that lobster right there, man. I really like lobster, cooked to perfection. Lobster is the best part. The risotto, it's just risotto. It's alright. And so we got delivered our next drink here. I got a vanilla old fashioned. I can't lie, I'm a little schmizzed out of the first one, but fuck it, we ball. Okay, guys, lastly, we got this sticky toffee pudding. I'm a little drunk, so it's a little slow right now, but damn, this shit look good. I hope you got to see it, and I wish you get to taste it. Okay. Caramel sauce, toffee date. Come on, baby. It's like kind of dry on the outside, but it's like moist on the inside. It's probably like, I don't know how it's supposed to be, but it's pretty tasty. It is very sweet though, but it is a dessert. It's that a lot of caramel that really puts it over the edge on the sweetness. Could tone down a little bit on the sweetness, but it's just overly sweet for me. That's it. It is my birthday today, so that's why we're out here. I appreciate it if you made it down this far. Okay, last but not least, they gave us the final parting gift. It is a orange bonbon. We gonna eat it, baby. Looks me, so it's kicking up to me. It tastes like that chocolate that you get in the boxes, but has an orange flavor on it. You know what I'm talking about? Like them Russell Stover's or something. Or them Lindt chocolates or something. For my final thoughts for the restaurant, I would give the food a 3.5 stars out of 5. The food tasted good, but it wasn't fully what you're expecting when you buy something like that. For the ambiance, definitely the decor, definitely the setting, everything made it feel like you were in a really high class restaurant. For the service, I would give it a 3.5 stars. When we arrived a little early, and the host was clear about what our server was doing and why it might take a little bit longer for us to get seated and ordered for our food. The server was really nice, really attentive. The only thing that I wished is if she asked if we were celebrating anything tonight, something along the lines like that. Other than that, the place is pretty good. Go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. Bye.